Hi, I'm Rachel from Gentle Frog, and in today's video of QuickBooks training, we're going to talk about how to set up your company information in QuickBooks Online. What I have open is my QuickBooks Online sample file, and I just want to walk you through the steps of setting up the company information. I'm going to start by clicking on the gear in the upper right-hand corner. In the left-hand column under the column labeled Your Company, I'm going to click on the first link, which is Account and Settings. The first tab on the top is the Company tab, and that's where we're going to be working for this video. I can click on the logo to supply my company logo. So when I click on it, it'll allow me to upload my logo. So I just found a logo on my desktop and I'm uploading it to my QuickBooks Online. I can change my company name. So right now my company name is Rachel Training Sample File. So I'm going to name it Sample File for Rachel Training Videos. I can add my EIN or my SSN. If you're a sole proprietor and you don't currently use an EIN, I definitely recommend getting one. Let me show you where to find it. IRS EIN. So if you follow this link, all I did was Google IRS EIN. On the IRS website, you can apply for an EIN. I definitely do not want you to apply for it using a third party. I don't want you to pay money for it. Once you go directly to the source and get it from the IRS. So we will pretend that our EIN is these 9 digits. Go ahead and click Save. If you know your company type, go ahead and fill this stuff in. If you don't know, go ahead and leave it blank. Your company email. So my company email is Rachel@GentleFrog, but if I wanted it to be something else, I could replace it here. My company phone number and my company website. I can supply my business address, and then I can update my marketing preferences, such as don't email me, don't call me, etc. So that is all you need to do to set up your company information for QuickBooks Online.